The Code of Hammurabi stands as a testament to the sophisticated legal systems of the ancient world. It dates back to roughly 1754 BCE in ancient Babylon, a civilization known for its advancements in law, governance, and culture. This code, a collection of 282 laws, was inscribed on a towering diorite stele. It was meant to be a visible symbol of justice and order for all to see. King Hammurabi, the sixth king of the first Babylonian dynasty, is credited with enacting this comprehensive legal code. He sought to unify his kingdom under a single, codified set of laws that would govern all aspects of life. The Code of Hammurabi, therefore, provides us with invaluable insights into the social, economic, and legal structures of ancient Mesopotamia. By examining its provisions, we gain a deeper understanding of the values, beliefs, and societal norms that shaped this influential civilization. The discovery of the Code of Hammurabi in the early 20th century marked a pivotal moment in our understanding of ancient law. Unearthed in the ancient city of Susa, modern-day Iran, the stele containing the code had been carried off as war booty centuries earlier. Its rediscovery offered historians and legal scholars an unprecedented glimpse into the legal principles and practices of a civilization that flourished millennia ago. The Code of Hammurabi addresses a wide spectrum of legal issues relevant to Babylonian society. Its 282 laws cover diverse topics reflecting the complexities of ancient Mesopotamian life. These laws are systematically organized, creating a coherent legal framework. Key areas include economic regulations, agriculture, family matters, and contracts. The code ensures agricultural productivity and addresses family responsibilities. Contracts highlight the importance of trade and commerce in Babylonian society. The Code of Hammurabi is famous for its principle of an eye for an eye, known as lex talionis. It aimed to ensure the punishment fit the crime. Another concept is the presumption of innocence. Individuals were considered innocent until proven guilty. The code placed the burden of proof on the accuser. Section 4. Social Hierarchy and Justice. The Code of Hammurabi, while groundbreaking in many respects, also reflects the social hierarchy that characterized Babylonian society. Punishments for offenses often varied depending on the social status of both the victim and the perpetrator. This differentiation reveals that justice in ancient Babylon, as in many ancient societies, was not always blind to social standing. For example, if a member of the upper class, such as a priest or a nobleman, injured a commoner, the punishment would be less severe than if the roles were reversed. Similarly, offenses against members of the upper classes often carried harsher penalties than those committed against individuals of lower social standing. This hierarchical approach to justice underscores the significant disparities in power and privilege that existed within Babylonian society. The code's provisions on slavery further illustrate the impact of social hierarchy on the legal system. Slaves, who occupied the lowest rung of the social ladder, possessed very few rights. They were considered property rather than individuals with full legal standing. The code outlines laws governing the treatment of slaves, including punishments for harming or killing a slave. However, these punishments were generally less severe than those for similar offenses committed against free citizens. Section 5. The Stele, a testament to law and kingship. The stele on which the Code of Hammurabi is inscribed is more than just a legal document. It is a masterpiece of ancient art and a powerful symbol of royal authority. Crafted from a single block of black diorite, the stele stands over 7 feet tall and is adorned with intricate carvings that enhance its visual impact and convey symbolic meaning. At the top of the stele, above the inscribed laws, is a bas relief depicting King Hammurabi standing before the sun god Shamash. Shamash, seated on a throne, is handing Hammurabi a rod and a ring, symbols of justice and authority. This image reinforces the idea that the king's power to create and enforce laws is divinely ordained. The stele was strategically placed in a public location where it would be visible to all. This prominent display served multiple purposes. It proclaimed the king's wisdom and justice, reminding the populace that the law was to be obeyed. It also served as a deterrent to potential lawbreakers, who would be constantly reminded of the consequences of their actions. Section 6. The Enduring Legacy of Hammurabi's Code. The Code of Hammurabi, despite its antiquity and the specific cultural context in which it was created, has left an indelible mark on the history of law. It is considered one of the earliest known examples of a comprehensive legal code, setting a precedent for future civilizations that recognize the importance of codified laws in maintaining order and justice. The code's influence can be seen in later legal traditions, including Mosaic law, which shares some similarities in its approach to justice and morality. The principle of lex talionis, while often subject to different interpretations and applications, has resonated throughout history and can be found in various forms in legal systems across the globe. Moreover, the Code of Hammurabi's emphasis on the presumption of innocence, albeit inconsistently applied, foreshadowed a principle that would become central to modern legal thought. The idea that an individual is innocent until proven guilty is a cornerstone of many contemporary legal systems, highlighting the enduring influence of this ancient Babylonian code on our understanding of justice and fairness.